My name is Chris and I have some great products that we're going to show you today from Bikehand. Bikehand is a company that has been making bike tools for more than 25 years. Next we're going to show you this one. Now this is a great toolkit, this one here. This is for your professional or someone like me who has 3 or 4 bikes and who wants to do their repairs and maintenance on their own bikes. I'll just show you what you get in it. Now we start off, most of it's for the modern day bike. We have a set of quick link tool remover, a set of cable cutters, 8mm Allen key with an extension, a chain indicator for wearing, 15mm pedal spanner, a cleaning brush for your cluster and your chain. We also have in here is for the bottom bracket. This is the press fit bottom bracket assembly, which you can use for the new press fit assemblies. We have a chain hook, a set of tyre levers with the metal running through them. They're very strong, these, fantastic. We've got a crank bolt to undo the nuts on the crank bolts spanner. We've got a spoke key. We've also got, this is the new, does the BB9000 bottom bracket external cups, Shimano, and the Holotech as well. Chain whip with the 15mm for your pedals. Lock ring nut for the cassettes. Internal Shimano bottom bracket. Set of torque keys. A chain breaker. A Phillips head and bladed screwdriver. A crank pulling arm. Set of Allen keys. And this model here also comes with a torque wrench as well. So there you have it. There's not much here that you don't get in this kit that you couldn't fix a bike with these days. I hope you have enjoyed this video and the products that we have shown. If you need any more information on the products, then go to bikehand.com.